Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women footwear collection, women footwear crochet, slippers and sandal designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of women footwear, crochet, sandals and slipper design. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of shoes design. So friend, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful women crochet sandals and slipper designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of women crochet sandals and slipper design? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.